In this video we will see how to use the Open Layers Map widget, which is a map like Google Maps or of course Open Layers, and it allows you to put layers on top like another widget we have, which is Image Map, and allows you to put icons here and also to add description for the icons when the user clicks there. To play with this dashboard, go to New Load Examples, Maps Open Layers. Let's see how it's configured. So we set the latitude, the longitude, and an icon, and a label, and a description, and an ID. Let's go step by step. Open Layers, required. The only required is latitude and longitude. Optional, you can clear, you can center on a point, you can set an icon on the point you're setting. The label in this case is the label that will be displayed below the icon, and the ID is the one that we usually use in other widgets for label, which is if you set a point with an ID and the ID is already on the map, it will move the old place to the new place. Label in this case is the text that is below the icon. Description will be used when the user clicks on the icon to display extra information, and polyline is if you want to make a polygon on the map, you can use polyline for it. So let's see now how it's used. Of course, we set latitude and longitude. We are using the city information we have on the sample data source. We set the icon according to the random value. If it's below 30, we set OK. If it's below 60, we set warning, and if it's otherwise, we set error. We set the label with the name of the category. The description, we build a text with the level 1 title with the name, a link to Fabric with the label country name, 2 new lines, and an image from the flag. And we set the ID to validate that value. This means that it's a number, and whenever that number happens again, the icon will be replaced. So let's try to replicate it a little bit. Let's go to New. We deselect widgets and select Maps. Let's name it Open Layers Example. As I said, we will be using the sample event source and everything as default. We will use the Open Layers Maps. Here you can select the type. In this case, we only support OSM. The type, if it's an icon or a heat map, we will use icon. If it will use geolocation to center, let's check it. Show info window. In case of I think in case of a click, let's check it. Default zoom, minimum zoom, maximum zoom, and where it will be centered by default, and the heat max value. And let's add a transformer. As we said, we will use value.ct.lat and value.ct.long. And in options, let's set the icon as we usually do, because it's the easiest thing to get an image. We will use the country code for the icon. And for the label, we will set the name of the category. And let's see if we have something else. For the description, well, we can set description and ID. Let's start with a simple description. For the ID, let's use the value.random. It's a random value between 0 and 100, so we will have a maximum 100 icons on the screen. For description, let's start with something simple. Text, create text width, and let's put just formatting, level 1 title, value.name, and then new line, and then let's just put the see if this is set up correctly. So we have the flags, which don't have anything to do with the latitude and longitude, and when we click, we get a window that has as a title the name of the category and a new line and then the country name. There we can also use formatting. Let's add an image and some extra content there. For example, we can add a space and then amount, and then another new line, and we can just to show you, we can put the Fabric logo over there, and that should be it. That is, I have to clear to see which are the new icons that have the new content. The image is not found since the path changed, so let's use our friend the flag in that place. It's clear to get the new ones, and then we have South Africa, the price and the image. We can also put links or bigger images and stuff like that. So you can also use it for a heat map, like you can see how it's done on the image map widget tutorial. And this is all. If you have any questions, just comment on the YouTube comments or ask us on Twitter, Facebook, or via email. And that's all. Thanks.